snowman. Come on, let's go to play. You can't sing. Why did you say that? Mind your own business. This is my friend, so please stop talking about her. Are you wearing clothes? Well, something's wrong with them. You need to wear better clothes. Are you gonna buy my clothes for me? No. Then don't be talking. Your mom was so hairy that she was Chewbacca's stunt double. I don't think you should be talking about my mom.